3, 2, 1. Good morning, boys and girls. Yes, you're right. Today we're going to have math class and we're going to play with numbers. We're going to count a little bit and use our critical thinking to find a missing number. To have a good start, I brought a book for you that's titled Too Many Monkeys, written and illustrated by Kelly Ashley. Here we go. You see all those monkeys? Let's see. Help me out. 1. One little monkey wondering what to do. Another monkey joins him. Now there are 2. Very good. 2 little monkeys climbing up a tree. One monkey joins them, and now there are 3. Very good. 3 little monkeys knocking at the door. One monkey joins them, and now there are 4. Very good. 4 little monkeys about to take a dive. One monkey joins them, and now there are 5. Very good. 5 little monkeys looking for the tricks. One monkey joins them, and now there are 6. 6 little monkeys. The bravest one is Kevin. One monkey joins them, and now there are 7. Very good. 7 little monkeys. Down the hill they skate. One monkey joins them, and now there are 8. Very good. 8 little monkeys climbing up a vine. One monkey joins them, and now there are, how many? 9. Very good. 9 little monkeys swinging high, and then one monkey joins them, and now that makes 10. Too many monkeys. They all fall on the ground. 10 laughing monkeys. What a funny sound. So now they're off. Well, it's not over yet, boys and girls. Look. 10 little monkeys sitting down the dime. One monkey leaves them. Now there are 1 less. 9. Very good. 9 little monkeys, but all but one feel great. That monkey leaves them. Now there are 8. Very good. 1 less. 8 little monkeys. The strongest one is Kevin. One monkey leaves them, and now there are 7. 7 little monkeys up to brand new tricks. One monkey leaves them. Now there are, how many? 6. 6 little monkeys eating honey from a hive. One monkey leaves them, and now they are, how many? 5. Very good. 5 little monkeys racing to the shore. One monkey leaves them, and now there are 4. 4 little monkeys sailing on the sea. One monkey leaves them, and now there are 3. 3 little monkeys. What a sorry crew. One monkey leaves them, and now there are, look, how many? You're right. Now we have 2. 2 little monkeys still on the run. One monkey leaves them, and now there is 1. That little monkey, monkey number 1, goes home to his mommy, and now there are, how many? None. No more monkeys. Thank you for counting with me. You did a wonderful job, and I'm pretty sure you did not make any mistakes. Very good job, boys and girls. And I also know that we love our monkey song. Don't you love it? Would you like to sing it with me? Get your fingers ready. All 5 of them. Here we go. Ready? Let's start counting. Ready? 5 little monkeys swinging on a tree. Teasing Mr. Alligator, can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Alligator, quiet as can be, and snatched the monkey right off the tree. 4 little monkeys swinging on a tree. Teasing Mr. Alligator, can't catch me. Along came Mr. Alligator, quiet as can be, monkey right off the tree. 3 little monkeys swinging on a tree. Teasing Mr. Alligator can't catch me. Along came Mr. Alligator, quiet as can be, and snatched the monkey right off the tree. 2 little monkeys swinging on a tree. Teasing Mr. Alligator can't catch me. Along came Mr. Alligator, quiet as can be, and snatched the monkey right off the tree. 1 little monkey swinging from a tree. Teasing Mr. Alligator can't catch me. Along came Mr. Alligator, quiet as can be, snatched the monkey right off the tree. Miss me, now you gotta kiss me. Mwah. All right, boys and girls, I am sending you big kisses because the counting was wonderful. Now we are going to do more activities with counting. I want you to help me find missing numbers. As you can tell, we have numbers right on the top. 1, 2, let's count with me. We're going to see how many do we have. I have a new stick. The Peggy is on it. She would like to count with us. So let's try. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 numbers on the top. Then I have a lots of numbers on the bottom. Can you recognize them? They're not in order. Let's see if we can do it. 5, 9, 12. That's a big number. 1, 13, 14, 7. What number is that? Good. 10, 8. Very good. 11, 2, 3, 6, and here is 4. That it was so low you probably couldn't see it. Now, boys and girls, I would like to show you my cards. I found some cards, but guess what? The numbers were missing. I have a card with 2 numbers and empty space in the middle. That's for the missing number. Let's see what we have here. We have 0, missing number, and 2. What do you think? What number is missing, and how are we going to find the missing number? You're right. Well, we'll have to count. There are 2 methods. Either we count 0, 1, 2, or if we are not sure, we can always look at our number line and see. We have number 1 right there, right? And number 2. Now, we know that missing number is before, in the front of number 2, right? Before number 2. So we have number 2 here. What is before number 2? What number do you see? Number 1. So number 1 is our missing number. It's right there. Let's see if we can count now and if it's going to be correct number. 0, 1, and 2. So you are right. That number was the correct number for our counting. Now, let's find more numbers. All right, Miss Martha is going to change it. So that number will not be correct. We need to take it off. Oh, they're all flying today. All the birdies would like to go away. Now we have one more. We have 5, missing number, and 7. What do you think? What number is missing? What number goes between 5 and 7? You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we can count. We know that it's 6. Or what you can do again, you can go on the number line and see. We have number 7 and number 5. What number is between 2 of them? Number 6. You are right. So you can either count, or if you are not sure, you can always look at the number line and find missing number. Correct? Now, I have one more here for you, and it's going to be a little bit more difficult. As you can see, we have number 13, missing number, and 15, correct? How do we know what number is missing? Our number line goes only to number 10, correct? So we cannot check it. How else? What are other ideas? How are we going to find out? You're right, we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I found it. Or we can still use the number line that has only 10 numbers in it. Look, this is two-digit number, correct? We learned about it at school. It has two numbers together. What we need to look for to help us is to look for the second number. We can cover the tens, so we can cover the first number and see what we have left, 3 and 5. Do you have 3 and 5 on the number line? Do we have it? Yes. What's between 3 and 5? 4. So the second number in our missing digit will be 4, right? But we also need the 10th digit, correct? So it's 14. Do they look the same? Right. They have tens. They all have ones in the middle. In the front of them. And 3, 4, 5. So we can count 13, 14, 15. Very good. Let's try one more time. How about those two numbers? I'm going to take the 14 out. 11 and 13. Again, the same situation. We do not have more numbers than 10. So what are we going to do? We are going to cover the tens. We're going to cover the first number. Here you go. And we're left with the second digit. What number goes between 3 and 1? Number 2, correct? So you will ask me, Miss Marta, but can we put number 2? Or this one has number 2 as well. So we have 2 and 12. Again, we're going to open our digits, and we know for sure that our missing number has 2 digits. So 2 will be not correct because we're looking for 2-digit number. It's going to be number 12, right? 11, 12, 13. Very good. Now you can figure it out on your own. You can look at the numbers and you can check it out. Let's try with one more number, one more card here. We have one more. We have 2 and 4. What number is missing between 2 and 4? What are we missing? Some of you already know that it's 3, right? I heard you counting. Very good. And shouting that's number 3. Let's double check on the line. We have 2 and 3. What's between 2 and 4? What is between? Number 3. Very good. So you are very correct. We put number 3 right in the middle. You can play those kind of games anytime in your house. You can look even at the calendar and cover the number and find out what number is missing. Just like we're counting the calendar in our school, and you're helping me to count backwards and forwards, and then I have a lot of questions for you, and then we do a lot of challenges. So this one is one of the challenges that you can do at home as well, and then you can practice the numbers. It's just a fun way to find what is missing. Another activity I would like you to do at home is to look for different items. How many fingers do you have, boys and girls, in one hand? How many? Exactly, we have 5 fingers. So I'm going to challenge you with the finger count. What is going to happen next week, or when you watch it after watching that movie, you can find 5 items that there are the same in shape or color or both. I made myself a wonderful glasses. Here they are. Very fancy, to help me find items that they belong to the group. So today I decided I am going to find 3 items that are yellow. So I took my glasses, went around the house and found 3 things. Your challenge is 5, Miss Martha, so was 3. So I found yellow marker, yellow clip, and yellow candy. So I have 3 items that they're yellow. But that was quite easy. So then I took my glasses again and then I decided I am going to look for 3 items that are circle. They're shaped like a circle. So I didn't know quite how to look for them, but I took the glasses again, walked around, and let's see what I found. I found the circle top. I found circle napkin, and I also found circle candle holder. But then I was passing by the kitchen and I also found a circle top from the bottom. So I had actually 4 because I really like that one. But you can challenge yourself to find items that they are circle. And for example, like mine, they're all white. Do you see it? I have 3 circles and all of them are white. When you go around the house, I'm sure you can find a lot of things. You don't have to pick them up. You can just point to them. Well, then I was having so much fun. Then I decided I am going to challenge myself even more. And I am going to look for 3 items that they are the same color and the same shape. I decided to find 3 items that they are red and they're shaped like a rectangle. So again, with my glasses in my hand, all right, I found 4 items. I found red box. Does it look like a rectangle? Yes. 2 sides are shorter, the other 2 are longer. 4 corners, correct? Then I found book. It's a red book, red cover. That's a rectangle as well. And I also found a tray. I found a tray. It's a red one. So boys and girls, as you see, I had so much fun. I want you to have so much fun in your house as well. And look around for different items. They can be from your kitchen, from your house, from your toy box. Just have fun. If you would like to make fancy glasses like Miss Martha's, ask mommy to give you a toilet paper tube, cut it in the middle, glue it together, and I tell you, they work really, really well. Now, I have one more challenge for you. When we look at the numbers, I'm pretty sure that you have your favorite numbers. Your mom maybe has a favorite number, or maybe your brother or sister. Well, guess what? I was thinking, what is my favorite number? And I decided that I will challenge you with that game. What is your favorite number? And I'm going to tell you what is mine, okay? So on the board, I wrote, what is my favorite number? You can do it at home as well. In my rectangular window, in my box, I am going to put my favorite one. And I am going to decide if I had a favorite number, if it had a color, what color would it be? Or what does it rhyme with? And I'm like, let me see. Well, I first decided that I like number 2. If my number is number 2, if it had a color, it would be blue. Look, it rhymes. Chew and blue. It rhymes. Very good. Well, but I really do not like it very much. I changed my mind. So what number can I pick? Remember, look around and think, what number do you like? When you know what number is your favorite, write it down and try to decide what color would that be and see if you can find rhyming word. Well, Second time, I decided that my favorite number is number 4. And I decided if I like number 4, it rhymes with the door. Bye, kids. Have fun finding your numbers.